Yo, what's going on, everybody? So Josh just hit me up. He said he needed my hand with something that he's doing to the G37. So I figured I would just grab the camera, shoot over to his house, and give you guys a little update on what's been going on with his car and what his plans are. So let's get right to it, guys.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
All right, just got over here to Josh's. Let's go see what he's got going on. Welder out. What we got going on in here? It's like installing a roll cage. Okay. Stock wheels on, bumpers off. Needs a front mount. I don't know where he's at. Go find them.
Hello.
What up?
Eating veggies. What are you up to?
Nothing much.
Videotaping?
Videotaping you, man. Giving you a video today. It's gonna cost you about $6,542.
Huh?
Huh?
6 what?
Yeah. Okay. See you outside, buddy. A lot has happened to the Datsun truck since the last time you've seen it. I know it looks like it's monster trucking right now, but that's because it is on air. I should have filmed a lot more, I just didn't have the time. But I don't know where I left off, but this is the current look of it. KAT, it's not completely finished yet, but it's in the works. After finish doing this car, we'll get back to this thing, so stay tuned for this truck. It's gonna be freaking sick. So I guess Josh needs me over here to be on fire patrol, because the last time he was welding, it was John's quarter panels. Car caught fire because nobody was really around watching to see. He doesn't want that to happen again, so I'm here today to keep my eye out on it so it doesn't catch on fire. So.
Fireman.
Yeah. So we'll get that to it. What? How many point cage is it?
It's only a little 4-point like roll bar / harness bar.
It's good enough. All yours, buddy. Get to it.
Oh, weldy.
I mean, I can do it if you want.
I didn't want the whole
I mean, it's only MIG.
Huh?
It's only MIG. Oh, okay, yeah. I could SIG that too.
I should just make it in.
I just left my helmet at, yeah, and I can't weld without my own helmet.
Yep.
I got a weird shaped head.
Understandable.
Yeah, yep.
I should just make it in.
He went to a single tip exhaust. What brand?
Huh?
What brand exhaust?
Tanabe.
Single tip Tanabe. I haven't heard it since he's done it. He says it sounds better, but it's still a VQ, so. Yeah, pretty much. So those are the plates he needs to weld. That's one. Can't see the other one, but he's welding a crossbar.
Strut bar, technically.
Well, pretty much a rear strut bar, and then he'll put down bars from there to connect down there. So that's all. Pretty simple. Welding.
And harness bar, and then
4
crossbar. Then you get crossbar, and then it gets a harness bar.
All right, we'll get to it. Are you welding it from the inside here? Or you're welding it in from the trunk?
Inside, like laying down in here.
Yeah.
I can't. The trunk. I had to close the trunk because A, it's too bright. B, I'm getting crosswind. Like
oh, gotcha.
The wind's blowing through it and screwing shit up. So basically, I need you just to make sure I don't burn the damn car down.
All right. If I can't help with that, then you're just gonna burn down, I guess.
Well, damn you. There's a fire extinguisher out there. You know.
Yeah, I see it.
I'd rather have you do this. Rather have you use this.
The air.
Blow it out.
You sure? You don't want that corrosive stuff all on your leather?
Shit up in there.
Oh, okay.
No, it's more like on the in the wheel well up in there. Or shit like
True.
that.
Cool.
Look at these bad boys.
Miller.
$8.
Rich boy shit. That's why you got work.
Yeah. Huh?
That's why you got work stuff, and I don't.
Yeah.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll
Let me see the air. Let me see the air. She was on fire. She was on fire.
Bitch is on fire.
It's good now. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. That was just a little update on Josh's car. I'm really not gonna film anything else. Next video I put on his car, everything will be all done, so stay tuned for that. Hope you like what you saw. Have a great day or night wherever you're at. Peace.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new.